Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you set up the points reward systems in your mobile apps. So when you guys build an app, you should already start with some demo data or dummy data in the database, but I'm starting from scratch on this one. First thing I'm going to want to do is add some rewards. So I click the add button, I choose an image here. Let's see what I've got. I've got cookies. I will say, call it cookies. Give it a description, chocolate chip cookies, and it's going to take 10 points for anyone to buy these cookies. I hit the active button, hit submit, and now you'll see it on my list. So let's keep going. I'll add a couple more. Got my cookies here, as well as what else do we got? French fries. Yeah, go French fries. Fries. Obviously, you guys can obviously put whatever you want as far as descriptions go. I'm going to put these at 20 points and hit active and submit. And the last one, let's add the ice cream. Okay, ice cream. 2 scoops of ice cream. This should be worth, let's make it 50 points. Okay, hit active and submit. So now we've got 3 rewards, okay, each with a different point value, meaning customers need to spend more in order to get to keep spending to get points in order to be able to redeem these rewards. Okay, so we've got the rewards in the system. The next thing is looking over here at the points range. So what we're going to do is set up a points range here. So I've gone ahead and filled out the information that's going to be here inside of the app. These are settings, and I'll show these to you on the app screen in a few seconds. You're able to customize the colors and all that kind of stuff. Again, I will show you that inside of the app in a few seconds. What I'd like to do right now is add a new points scheme. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to call this, we'll call it bronze, and we'll select an image. Let's see, silver, bronze image. Hang on a second, let me get one. Okay, so I've got a couple of new images here. So we'll use bronze, the starting range, and the end range. These are important. This what basically tells the system is people that spend between $0 and $1,000 at your place of business will be earning points at this level. So I'm going to put in, let's have them earn, we'll let them earn 10 points on every dollar they spend. Okay. Hit the submit button. It's active now, and you will see it is down here. Bronze, silver, and gold. So I've set most of the stuff up already. Okay, so you can see the levels that I've added here. So we've got bronze, people spending $0 to $1,000 are earning 10 points for every dollar they spend. Silver, 1,001 to 2,000, earning 11 points on every dollar they spend. And gold, 2,001 to $10,000 spent, earning 12 points for every dollar they spend. Now this kind of stuff you guys can obviously edit this and make it whatever you want. You can earn $1 for every, sorry, a point for every dollar, 2 points, 5 points, whatever you want. It's totally at your discretion. Okay, so basically, you've seen how I added them. You can even edit these if you like, and totally up to you. Now, what I'd like to show you is what this is going to look like on the home screen, okay, of the apps. So let's pull up the app screen. This is what it looks like inside of the app. Right now, I've got 0 points, okay, and you can see the bronze, silver, and gold levels that I just set up. There's nothing underneath here, so as a user, I don't know what's going on with these levels. They really have no significance. I can touch them. There's no explanation of what these levels mean, so I'll show you how we add stuff to that. Going to look at your rewards again here, your cookies, your French fries, and then the scan screen. So remember, you can customize the color schemes and all that kind of stuff in the back office. But let's look at the what goes underneath each one of these pointers. Okay, so coming back to the points range here, I'm going to come down here, and then you see that the first level, we're going to add descriptions and pointers. So these are explanations of each level, and let me just add a couple things. So I'll put this one, earn 10, here we go, earn rewards, earn 10 points for every dollar you spend. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of images here. So there's one. Let's add one more. We'll add this one, earn rewards, earn 11 points for, actually no, that's not what we should put here. We should put, you can use your rewards to redeem free food. Okay, so there we go. Now, if I come back to my app, I'll come out of the screen, click back on rewards. When I scroll down, you can see these little images I just added. Earn 10 points for every dollar you spend. These are explanations, just basic explanations about each level that you've got. You can put anything you want here. More information, it's totally up to you. But this is the way it comes out, and it looks really nice. It's a great tool to explain, to your customers what each level is worth. As you go up the ladder, you're earning more points. Again, it's incentivizing your customers to spend more, and your better customers are going to be earning more when they do spend. All right, so coming right back to the system here, we've seen what we need to do as far as the levels here go. This is pretty much all you need to enter, and the system will be working for you. Let's look at a couple other things that we've got. What does this mean? QR admins emails. So these are email IDs for people that are going to be staff members or admins that will scan QR codes and provide points and or redeem points off customers. So whatever email IDs you put in here will be the ones that have access to a special tab that only staff will see. Okay, what else do you want to see? Promo codes. I'm going to add a promo code right now. So I'm going to add, let's add a promo code, hit the add button here. I'll call it, let's call it Mother's Day. Okay, code will be MOM1. I'm going to give myself 10 points for that. So how this works is it's a promotional code that can be provided to your customers right in their app. So you can send out marketing materials talking about promotional codes so that you can drive people traffic to your business by having them come to your store or your place of business to get the code. Or you can be nice on Mother's Day and give everyone a code. It's totally up to you. So these codes can only be used once per user. Okay, so you can see the area where I enter the promo code. If I type in the word MOM1 and hit submit, I will now come to my points, and you'll see I have now got 10 points. So that's the way promo codes work. Again, you can use them in any way you like. Send them out by email or whatever other marketing you do. Or have people come into your place of business and provide the codes to them at that point, and then drive traffic to your business. Okay, so that's what the promo codes are. Going back to the points range, everything is pretty self-explanatory as far as the color schemes go. You'll also be able to see your users, whoever's in each category here. You'll be able to see all of the users, and you can see the transaction history here as well, where they've earned points and things like that. And essentially, that covers it. Let me show you how now you can add rewards and redeem rewards. Okay guys, so I've got two devices up on my screen here right now. One on the left is the admin, which has a tab up here that no one else, the customers will not see this. And this is the app that I was using just now for the demonstration. I'm gonna put my scan button there, touch my scan button, and then the admin will touch the hub and hit the scan button, and we'll get access to their cameras. And I will hit the scan, and you can see now I'm just adding an amount spent. So I'm going to say customer spent $10. Hit OK. And when I come over here to my points, now I've got 110 points. So see how quick and easy that was? It's just this is the admin. They scan the QR code and they provide the customer the customer provides their screen. They get the QR code scan. They enter an amount spent, and that's it in real time. Boom, the points are right in their account. And then to take points off, so we would basically come back to the points system back here. Where are we here? So to redeem them, I'm going to show you how that's done as well. The points for each of these items are here. These are already done. So redeem would be when you click on the points range, the password is right here. So in this case, it's scan. I'm going to make it something simple. Okay, let's do this scan. So come back into the app here. Not this one. Come back to this one. And we'll shrink that one. And I want to redeem these cookies, so I just type the word scan and hit redeem. And now you can see the password didn't match. We'll add a funny thing, scan. Type that correctly. The code is not matching. Password to redeem. Let's update this. I may have messed this up. Okay, let's try this one more time. Over here, shrink this. Cookies. I want to redeem my cookies with SCAN. I had a capital. I apologize. SCAN. There we go. There we go. So it's case sensitive. So the coupon's now been redeemed. Now you'll see my point value has shrunk to 100 from 110, and I can even check my history. I can see the history here. I earned a $10, 10 points on Mother's Day, and then I earned another 100 points over here, what we just showed you on the scan, and then we've got the redemption of 10 points on as well for the cookies. So that's a quick overview of the points system from start to finish, how you set it up, how you use it. Thanks for watching, guys.